Want to turn plain text into stunning videos completely for free? It's easier than you think. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use amazing AI tools like CapCut, Lumen 5, and Pictory to transform your words into professional-looking videos. If you've ever wanted to make video content without showing your face or spending hours editing, this is the video for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, what exactly are AI text studio tools? Imagine you have a script, a blog post, or even just a simple idea written down. These AI tools take your text and automatically generate visuals, create narration, and can even produce realistic AI avatars to speak for you. It's like having a full production team at your fingertips. CapCut is especially powerful because it's not just an AI generator. It's a full-featured video editor. This combination makes it perfect for everyone, from absolute beginners just starting out to seasoned pros looking to speed up their workflow. It's an all-in-one solution that's changing the game for content creation. So, where can you get started for free? There are several fantastic platforms you can try right now. First and foremost is CapCut AI. It offers text-to-video generation, automatic captions, a massive library of templates, and advanced editing features all in one place. Next, there's Pictory, which is brilliant for turning long-form texts like articles or scripts into short, punchy social media clips that grab attention. Then we have Lumen 5, which specializes in converting blog posts into engaging, shareable videos, perfect for content repurposing. Kapwing AI is another great option, offering a simple and intuitive editor with powerful text-to-video features. And if you want to push the boundaries of creativity, Runway ML has a free tier that gives you access to some of the most advanced AI video generation tools available today. Each of these has unique strengths, but today we're going to focus on the one I think is the most versatile, CapCut. Alright, let's walk through the process step by step using CapCut. First, you'll need to download the app. It's available on desktop, mobile, and even has a web version, so you can use it on any device. Once you have it open, start a new project. You'll see an option for text-to-video, or you can browse through the AI templates for inspiration. Find the one that fits your style. Now, the magic happens. Simply paste your script or text into the box. CapCut's AI will immediately get to work analyzing your words to generate relevant scenes, find visuals from its stock library, and even add perfectly synced subtitles automatically. It's incredible to watch, but you're not stuck with what it gives you. The next step is to customize it. You can easily change the fonts and colors to match your brand. Add smooth transitions between clips, choose background music from their library, or even generate a high-quality AI voiceover to narrate your script. Once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, it's time to export. The free plan does include a small watermark, but it's perfect for testing ideas and getting your content out there. Now that you know how to create the videos, let me share a few quick tips to make them even better and really stand out. First, keep your text short and punchy. AI works best with clear, concise sentences. This also keeps your audience more engaged. Second, always use the auto caption feature, which CapCut does beautifully. It makes your videos accessible to a wider audience and is great for people watching with the sound off. Third, don't just rely on AI-generated footage. Personalize your videos by adding your own clips or browsing CapCut's extensive stock footage library to find the perfect shot. Finally, experiment with different templates. Finding a visual style that matches your niche and your brand's personality can make a huge difference in how your content is received. Don't be afraid to play around. And that's how you can create amazing AI videos from text for free using powerful tools like CapCut, Lumen 5, Pictory, and more. The technology is here, and it's more accessible than ever. So I encourage you to try them out, experiment with your own ideas, and start publishing your content today. You might be surprised at what you can create. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials and content creation tips. Thanks for watching.